on. So today I'm going to unbox this Revolution X Love Actually Christmas Advent Calendar. It's a 12-day Advent Calendar, but I mean, Love Actually, in my opinion, well, it is 100% a Christmas movie, and I watch it every year. Last year was the first year I didn't watch it. I didn't watch very rarely watched any Christmas movies, which is absolutely gutted. But I feel like because it's in the shape of a heart and everything like that, I still will unbox it. You've probably seen unboxing, so I'm unboxing it just for the sake of unboxing it, really. But I feel like you could really gift this to people for Valentine's Day. I've actually purchased one to gift to my friend for Valentine's Day, and I bought one of it for myself. I absolutely love Love Actually. I end up getting this for like £12 on Beauty Bay. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, just in case you maybe want to get this for your daughter or something like that, your niece or something like that, for a Valentine's Day gift. If it's still available. But I did get this really budget friendly, but I think it was originally £40, which is like a lot of money. It's 12 days, so it would be perfect for Galentine's because it's 13 days to Galentine's Day. That's like the 13th is normally Galentine's, but it just would be nice as a gift. But we're going to unbox it anyway. So I paid, I think, £12, so it works out £1 a day for me. So let's get into it. So day number 1 is a lipstick, and it is in a heart shape. Oh my god, it's so cute. It doesn't have a name. It is a red, but it's not a matte. It doesn't, does it say? No, it doesn't say. I do not wear anything but a red matte, and I know that now as myself, like a matte red. And I honestly can't tell, so I'm not going to swatch that because I feel like it'll just be wasted. Even though my favourite lip colour to wear is actually red. Not that you ever see me in a red lately, but yeah. So that was day number 1. It looks really nice, cute packaging, like, you know, they say. I think fab, you know, I think you could kind of worm this away for like Valentine's Day. So day number 2, I can't work out whether it's, I think it's this long pencil here. But then we've got 8 there. Do you know what I'm saying? So we've got 2. Oh, there's 2 pencils, right? Okay. It's very hard, that. So we've got 2 pencils. So we've got another lip pen. We've got a pencil or a lip pencil. So we've got a pencil anyways. And it's a lip liner. And it just says Love Actually. It doesn't have a shade. That's what the package is. Oh my god, look how cute it is. And this is is it a lip liner? Is this a lip liner? Yep, it is a lip liner, and it is in like a nudie brown shade, which I do not have in lip liner. So, sure that's a lip liner? Yep, definitely. I don't have that in a lip liner shade, so I'm quite excited about that. 90s lip vibe, 100%, and I'm sure Love Actually is like a 90s lip in anyways. So that was 2. Day number 3 is here. Is this blusher, I think. Yep, blusher. Oh my god, look at the packaging. Sorry, but that is so pretty. Is this a cream blusher? It is a cream blusher. Look at that. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I love the packaging. Day number 3. We want day number 4. It's quite a big one along here. Right, so this is something I've definitely not used myself, but it is the Revolution Love Actually false lashes. So definitely, like, everything, I feel like what we've opened up to now, you could definitely, like, for Valentine's Day, the heart theme and everything, they are quite pretty. Just definitely not something that I would personally use. Day number 4, we got day number 5, which is down here, which looks like another lip product shade day to me. Yes. And it is, what are you? It is a lip gloss. It is another heart shaped packaging. Oh my god. So pretty. It's just a sheery, shimmery lip gloss. Something like that anyone could really wear. So yeah, quite like that. Something I will use. Pretty and all packaging. So that was 5. We want day number 6, which is in the top corner here. I've already took this poor calendar off. Look at this. So this is a powder puff, but it is actually in the shape of a heart. I love that. So excited about that. I'm going to have to start using that. So excited about that. I love that that is in a heart. I love that. That was 6. When day number 7, which is over here. Oh, we've got a big one. This looks exciting. This is a Revolution X Love Actually mascara. I love a mascara. Absolutely love a mascara. Right, let's have a look at you then. I can't get into it. Oh. I love a good mascara. I love the packaging. Oh, I'm going to have to use this. I'm loving all this love theme stuff. This is what the wand looks like. Dead excited about that. So that was 7. 8 was another one in here. So we've got it here. It was like another liner type product. It is a eyeliner pencil. And look at the packaging on that. So pretty. That is one funny colour eyeliner pencil. I feel like they've got the lip liner and the eyeliner mixed up. But it says eyeliner. But okay, I couldn't imagine ever wearing a colour like that on my eyes. That's definitely got to be a lip liner, hasn't it? Right. That was 8. We want day number 9, which is this one here, which, I mean, look at it. It is a Love Heart beauty sponge. That will be going straight, most likely, to my niece. How cute is that? Yeah, I love that. My niece uses sponges all the time, so yeah, that will probably be going to my niece. That was 8. Sorry, that was 9. So we went day number 10, which is the only thing I think will be kind of like Christmassy, is this scrunchie. Yeah, that's definitely Christmassy vibes, isn't it? It's the only thing up to now that I would say is Christmassy out of this, but I like it. So that's 10. 111. Oh, it's a bit of a filler day, but at £12 I'm not complaining. We have got 2 little heart clips. I wish they were the same colour, personally. This is them. Yeah. I'm still going to be using these for the next few days. Like, I mean, look at them. So that was 11, I think. So then day number 12. Day number 12 is a eyeshadow palette. And it is To Me You Are Perfect and My Wasted Heart Will Love You. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And they're just the most tiniest little eyeshadows in the shape of love hearts. They're so cute. So cute. This would probably not be something that I would use, to be honest, personal preference and stuff like that. I've got beautiful eyeshadows that I never wear. I've got some really pricey eyeshadow palettes and I very rarely wear them. So I'm just not going to swatch these and waste them up there. So, but it's lovely. Really nice. And for £12, I'm actually buzzing with it. I'm going to see if they've got any other reduced advent calendars. I really think you could definitely use this as a gift for Valentine's Day, for your niece, for yourself. I really enjoyed unboxing it. I'm looking at this and it's in the shape, like once you get all the bits of cardboard off, it's in the shape of a heart. You could definitely make something with the bottom of this, like put fake flowers in it and make it as a gift box if you're crafty. Like my mum would 100% be able to do that and it would look nice. She would probably do, so like my mum would probably do half down the middle Ferrero Rochers and then half rose, like fake roses or something. You could do that with the lid and the bottom. Like my mum would totally be able to DIY that. She'd so, well, I probably would, to be honest, as well, because I'm a little bit crafty, but like, you know, I feel like you've got like a base of something. That's just the crafty person in me coming out there, and my mum craftiness rubbing off on me. But overall, for £12, I'm so happy that I got this for £12. I don't think I would have been happy at their full prices of £40 for it. If I can find it, I will link it down below, because I really do think it's kind of worth it. Like, I'm not going to lie, I'm dead chuffed with the bits that I've got from this. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below. I do lots of advent calendar unboxings, but I do lots of mystery beauty boxes unboxings, just unboxings in general. Yeah, and yeah, so I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.